Hello. Okay, so doom it right now? No. Maybe tomorrow. I don't care. I want to draw. Figured I'd kill two birds in one stone and draw right now instead of like streaming something that I don't want to stream. I don't want to do. You know, not streaming, fucking recording. Oh, fucking swore. This video is not gonna be long, by the way. Probably, unless I have a lot to talk about. I don't think I do. As you can see, it's a bird. I got the idea down, but it's not there yet. You feel me? Something missing. I don't know. Maybe I'll make it. Maybe I'll find what's missing. Maybe. I'm hella tired, by the way. It's like 4 a.m. Have not slept. Well, I did sleep. Took an afternoon nap. 'Cause I'm a sleepy little person. I'm a little sleepy. I'm a little eepy. Eepy, you feel me? Yeah, by the way, one of my friends said that my thumbnails suck. So, if I get bored of this, I'm making like thumbnails. Actual thumbnails. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Track is gonna be fucked, by the way. Like, holy. I was told by my DM, because this is a bird character, that I need more bird in the bird character. So I'm gonna put more bird in the bird character. I should reference those Dark Souls characters, the fan art. Pickle pee pum pum, you know. Ooh, half of this is. Half of this I cannot show on stream. You can look it up for yourself. God damn, these people are horny. What the hell? I'm studying birds. Birds. I'm playing music in the background. It's gonna be different from the music playing for you. Holy, these people are horny. Okay, it's more like sleeves, honestly. Most of the fan art is. But it splits at the end, so it looks more like feathers. 지분가 지분 자라이 미타히들 찬스로가 시대 고견이 I'm also gonna put a chain on her, like one of those dungeon chains. You feel me? It's part of the aesthetic, like a collar. Flashbacker is playing right now. You guys like Bocchi the Rock? I should draw from here, because it should be going down. Something like that. No, this looks weird. Looks weird. Looks like a shoe. Damn, it's like a ring, basically. Make do. We make do. I just have to draw a circle in the fucking view of Nima. Ooh, I can do this. Hold on. Let me cook. Is that too loose? No, that's good enough. It's not art if you don't redo it like 500 times. If you get everything in the first try, congratulations. It's good enough for chains. Last one's kinda short though, kinda small. Does that look good? Not even sure anymore. Bro, I'll make a background. Trust me, I'll make a background. Just trust the process. Never mind. Did I draw everything on the wrong layer? Do not trust the process. Bro, fuck. I'm a creep, guys. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? When you were here before. Does that look good though? I'm not sure. Bro! Drawing on the wrong layer again. Bro. We're ending this with end of a life. We run. Waking up now to my real life. Let me daydream for the next flight. So long, I got older, and the crowd's gone. Is it over? Is it over? Okay, that's the end. We've done what we set out to do. Make this lady more bird-like. I think so. I think so. This has been the longest recording I've ever made, by the way. Has my model been fucked up for the entire time? Surely not. Surely not. Surely not. Wake up. There we go. Surely not. Right? Right? Oh well. Doom Eternal tomorrow? Maybe? Maybe? Maybe. Maybe. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe. Okay. Okay, bye. Hold on. Like if you like, and subscribe if you did. Damn! I'm a YouTuber, bro. I'm a YouTuber. Okay. Goodbye. Okay, bye. Bye bye.